Adams from New England Pine. We're here in the Rhode Island division for New England Pine, and I'm just working on this red oak log. I'm going to show you how to use the New England Pine Alaskan Sawmill. I'm going to show you the setup that I'm using here with the Echo CS590, and I'll show you how to make an adjustment to the sawmill, and we're going to go ahead and get going and finish up this log I've been working on. One thing I was concerned about when I first started using an Alaskan sawmill was how to get my first cut to be nice and straight. And what I found works pretty easily and is pretty readily available is a big flat piece of 2x8 here that you can see I've put on top of the log, and I have it overhanging just a little bit so you can see that the sawmill is fully supported by the wood before it even enters the log for the cut, and the wood extends at least the distance of the log that you're trying to saw. If you have a nice straight board, then this should give you a nice straight edge to follow along as you cut down the length of the log, and it will give you a nice straight and flat cut, which means you can start the next cut and the next cut and the next cut all registered to a nice flat surface. So I wanted to just include this here before we got started into the demo of the sawmill, and now I'm going to show you what it's like to actually do a cut with the New England Pine Alaskan Sawmill. So here we are, we've just completed our cut of this log. You can see we went through some pretty cool parts. Just one tip when you're exiting, make sure that you're really careful as the saw will come out of the log and you don't want to obviously get that anywhere near your body. So I'm just going to go ahead and flip this over and we'll see what we're working with here. Okay, so here's our slab. Pretty good cut, 1.5 inches thick, all the way down. You can see right here all these knots. When you're slabbing and you're milling it, you will feel those. I got pretty hung up right down here. Going through that knot I could tell, and obviously where this branch used to be. That's pretty much it. Now we've got a really nice slab. We're gonna stack that up. What people call it is stickering. I use just little offcuts of 2x4, but you want to give the wood some separation between your slabs so you get airflow and it dries out a little quicker. So I'm going to go ahead and stack this one up.